Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 8 subject science, and today we are going to discuss the experiment related with chapter number 13, and that is sound, and later on we will discuss the two more experiments which are related with the chapter number of 14th, isn't it? So, and 14th chapter name is the chemical effects of the electric current. So, first, as I told you, sound. The chapter name is 13 sound, and the experiment is related sound need a medium of propagation. So, first you have to clear in your mind that what is the sound. Very easy, as we are talking, as another person is listening and the source by which it is listening. Sound is produced by the vibration of the materials. Okay, sound is produced by the vibration of materials, but in human being, if we are talking about we people, the sound is produced by the vocal cords, isn't it? Sound is produced with the vocal cords. Cool. And that is present in voice box, that we have already talked about it, and voice box is named as larynx. Fine. Voice box is named as larynx. So we can say in the matter of the human being, the sound is produced by the vocal cords, and vocal cords where it is present in voice box, and voice box is named as larynx. So when the lungs force air through the slit present between कोर्ड के बीच में, जैसे स्लिट एयर जो लंग्स से फोर्स होकर आउट होती है उसके थ्रू जो बाहर निकलता है, एयर पासिंग थ्रू द स्लिट कोज वाइब्रेशन इन स्ट्रेच्ड वोकल कॉर्ड्स प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड. जैसे ही दोनों में स्ट्रेच होता है वोकल कॉर्ड्स में, दैन ओनली साउंड इज द प्रोड्यूस. नाउ द थिंग इज हाउ साउंड डज द साउंड नीड अ मीडियम ऑफ द ट्रैवल. अगर साउंड को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक पहुंचाना है तो इज देयर एनी medium is needed? So answer is yes, sound travel through a medium, and that can be either gas, liquid or solid. Fine. In three of these states sounds need medium to travel. And second thing, very important thing which we are going to discuss by this experiment, that it cannot travel in a vacuum. ठीक है, वैक्यूम में कभी भी साउंड ट्रैवल नहीं करता, बट साउंड ट्रैवल तीनों स्टेट्स में, जो मैट्रिक स्टेट्स है तीनों स्टेट्स के थ्रू ट्रैवल कर सकता है. दैट कुड बी सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस. मूविंग फर्दर, so here you are able to see how sound is produced with the electric bell, while it cannot be travel through the vacuum pump, right? It cannot be travel through the vacuum pump, but in the case of electric bell it will be produced as in the form of, and this is the state of the gas, right? So let's start. First of all, as we know, sound is the form of energy which help us to talk with one another. Sound क्या है? एक एनर्जी है जो हमें क्या हेल्प, किस बात में हेल्प करता है? टॉक करने में. किससे? ईच अदर से. और वी कैन से इज द वे ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन. किसी से भी बात करने का जो वे है, किसी से भी बात करने का फॉर्म है, और इट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. वी कैन से साउंड इज द फॉर्म ऑफ energy. Now how it could be come to the our ears, because ear is the organ by which we can listen, by which we can hear. So when sound enters in outer ear, it travel down a canal at the end of which there is a thin stretched membrane, and that is called ear drum. What is that called? Eardrum. So we can say we are able to hear with the help of eardrum, which is the part of ear, which is the inner part of the ear. Fine. And what is the windpipe? The tube like or vessel through which air enters in the lungs. That means lungs में जो air enter हो रही है, जिस tube के through enter हो रही है, that would be called like windpipe. So let's start. As you are able to see by this figure, what must be the aim? Sound needs a medium of propagation. Experiment number 4, and which is related number chapter 13, and that is sound. So sound needs a medium of propagation. What material is required? As you are able to see here, one bell jar is seen. This jar is one there. Second, electric bell is there. Third, vacuum pump is there. Fine. So 3 majorly materials substance we are needing: bell jar, electric bell and vacuum pump. Theory, that means the related this experiment. What is the theory? Sound is produced by the vibrating the objects. So that could be in human beings matter. We have talked about with the help of eardrum we are able to hear, isn't it? And with the help of the vocal cords, larynx, we are able to produce sound, isn't it, by the vibrating of the vocal cords. But in other some cases like musical instrument में some objects are there, by from them vibration is there due to the vibration of with the hands or with the string or with the small pipes or small wires, उनके through जो vibration create होता है, only that is the sound, isn't it? And it is carried in all the direction with the help of medium. Sound need a medium to travel. The sound cannot travel in vacuum. We have talked this thing. Sound को मीडियम चाहिए ट्रैवल करने के लिए, दैट मीन्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक पहुंचने के लिए, और फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर साउंड नीड्स medium, isn't it? And that medium can be in or any 3 of the states of the matter. Second thing, sound cannot travel in vacuum. That is related with this experiment. So now what method must be there? First of all, what we have to do, suspend the electric bell inside the bell jar. As you are able to see, electric bell is suspended in a bell jar. ठीक है ना? सस्पेंड द इलेक्ट्रिक बेल इनसाइड द बेल जार के अंदर हमें इलेक्ट्रिक बेल को सस्पेंड करना है. नेक्स्ट, वैक्यूम पंप इज कनेक्टेड टू बेल जार से ही हमें, इसी बेल जार से ही हमें क्या करना है, वैक्यूम पंप को भी ऐड करना है, कनेक्ट करना है. वेयर इट शुड बी इन लोअर पोर्शन, इट शुड बी एट द लोअर पोर्शन ऑफ द जार. वैक्यूम पंप शुड बी connected, and at the top of the jar, what is connected? That is the electric bell. Now connect the bell to the battery and press the button. क्या करना है, बैटरी को बेल को बैटरी से कनेक्ट करना है, isn't it? And then press the key को जैसे ही प्रेस करेंगे तो what would happen? इलेक्ट्रिक बेल start ringing. क्या हो जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रिक बेल स्टार्ट हो जाएगा रिंग होना. हीट द साउंड ऑफ बेल, जो हियर द साउंड ऑफ बेल, हमें क्या करना है, बेल की आवाज़ सुननी है. नाउ स्विच ऑन द वैक्यूम पंप टू रिमूव एयर फ्रॉम द बेल. जो बेल जार में एयर जमा हो गई, उसको स्विच ऑन करना है वैक्यूम पंप को, ताकि वो एयर उसमें से बाहर निकल जाए. नाउ यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व द साउंड कमिंग और नॉट. What is your observation? What do you understand by this activity? That what do you observe? Sound will be created or not? Sound will be produced. So observation, what here see? Intensity of sound gets on decreases. Obvious, साउंड जो बाहर निकल रहा है वो उसकी इंटेंसिटी कम होती जाएगी, क्योंकि वैक्यूम पंप इज द मीडियम ऑफ टू ट्रैवल द साउंड दैट वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट. सो साउंड इज नॉट हर्ड वैन देयर इज कंप्लीट वैक्यूम इनसाइड द बेल जार. जो उसके अंदर गैस, जो उसके अंदर साउंड फिल हो गया था, एयर फिल हो गया था, अगर वैक्यूम के थ्रू अगर हम उसकी सुनने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू हियर एनी इलेक्ट्रिक बेल्स साउंड, isn't it, inside the bell jar. So conclusion, we can say sound needs a medium of propagation. Sound cannot travel in वैक्यूम. साउंड को क्या है, मीडियम चाहिए प्रोपोगेट, दैट मीन्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल करने के लिए, बट साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रैवल इन थ्रू द वैक्यूम. क्लियर? सो होप सो यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. मूविंग फर्दर, द चैप्टर नंबर 14 experiment, that is the to show that lemon juice is good conductor of electricity. Okay, what is the experiment? Lemon juice is a good conductor of electricity. That activity we are going to perform by this experiment. Let's start the another experiment which is related with chapter number 14, that is electric effects. So here we are going to understand by this activity that lemon juice is a good conductor of electricity or not. Fine. So as you are able to see by this figure that what material is required. First the symbols are given. These symbols you know know all because we have already discussed about it. This is the symbol of battery, then this one for bulb, and this is the wire, and here lemon juice is already poured in the beaker, right? So let's start with if material is asked for the for this activity, we can say battery, bulb, wire, lemon juice and beaker. These all things are required to perform this activity. Next, what is the method? Arrange the material as shown in the figure. As you are able to see in this figure, all materials are arranged accordingly. Which path is needed, which electric path is required to fill. So see, this is the बैटरी से एक वायर का पॉइंट बैटरी से लेना है, कनेक्ट करना है, दूसरा बल्ब से कनेक्ट करके, और तो ये किस में डिप करना है हमें, टेस्टर. The tester is given, that tester is supposed to dip in the lemon juice. Fine. Pour lemon juice in one beaker. इस बेकर में हमने lemon juice pour कर लिया. अब इस टेस्टर को इसके अंदर डिप करना है. Bring the tester over the cap and let the end of the tester into the lemon juice. What you will observe? Hope so you all are observing the thing, and this activity you can perform at your home also. So we see that the bulb start to glow. जो bulb था वो glow होना start हो गया. क्यों start हो गया? Because it indicates that lemon juice is a good conductor of electricity. The things by which current can easily pass through, that type of substance are named as good conductor of electricity, isn't it? So we can say, as we dipping the tester in lemon juice, we will observe after some time bulb of the tester will start to glow. The reason is, we can say lemon juice is a good conductor of electricity. Quite? So next experiment, which is related again chapter number 14, and that is electroplating. So let's understand this thing. Now what we have to do, to understand this activity, we are again performing. To understand this activity, again we are explaining to you that how electroplating is functioning. So let's start. What material is required? Again, it is mentioned here: beaker, copper sulfate solution, copper plates. Both plates should be of copper, and this is the again battery. Fine. So we can say copper plate, battery, copper sulfate solution. This many things are only required to perform this activity. Method: take 2 copper plates of 10 centimeter, 10 into 4 centimeter. That means ये जो दो हम plates ले रहे हैं वो कितने measurement की होनी चाहिए? 10 by 4 centimeter. That means length 10 and breadth 4. Both should be equal in size. Take 2.50 ml of the distilled water in a clean and dry beaker. कौन सा water हमें इसमें डालना है? Distilled water. And dry किस में डालना है, ड्राई बेकर में डालना है। डिज़ोल्व 2 टीस्पून फिल ऑफ कॉपर इन इट, उसके अंदर हमें क्या डालना है, 2 टीस्पून ऑफ कॉपर, क्या डालना है, 2 टीस्पून ऑफ कॉपर। ओके, सो 2 टीस्पून ऑफ बे कॉपर हमने किस में सॉल्यूशन में मिक्स करना है, जहाँ पे हमने वाटर को, क्लीन वाटर को डिप किया उस बेकर में। एंड फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक टू कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन। कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन में हमें ये 2 ड्रॉप्स उसके सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के डालने हैं। टू मेक इट मूव कंजक्टिव क्लीन कॉपर विथ सैंड पेपर। नाउ कनेक्ट द कॉपर प्लेट टू द टेस्ट मेटल ऑफ अ बैटरी। क्या करना है हमें, कनेक्ट द कॉपर प्लेट टू द टेस्ट मेटल ऑफ बैटरी एंड प्रेस दैम इन कॉपर सोल्यूशन। उसको कहाँ पे, इस कॉपर सोल्यूशन में प्रेस करना है। और किससे कनेक्ट करना है, कनेक्ट, वी आर गोइंग टू कनेक्ट विद दिस battery. Allow the current to pass for 15 minutes. That means for 15 minutes we have to keep the solution as it is and उसमें से current हमें pass होने देना है. After 15 minutes what you will observe? Now remove the electrodes from the solution and observe. दोनों electrodes को हमें बाहर निकालना है and check करना है कि solution में क्या change आया है. Now see what observation is checked. See, when electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution besides into copper and sulfate, the free copper gets drawn to the electrodes connected to the terminal, negative terminal of the battery and gets deposited on this. It means that copper gets transfer from electrodes to the other. And what is the conclusion? This shows that the electroplating, right? So hope so you all have understood these all 3 experiments. Until here your all course is also completed. We have already completed till chapter 18. Notes are also already sent by the group, isn't it? And the related these experiments also we are sending you the notes by this lecture. Take care, be healthy, and we'll meet with some another topic by next week. Goodbye.